Hi, this is Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Every time you tell people that you want to do something big, you want to get to the top in anything, they will say you're crazy, you can never do it. I think that's the very thing that I need to get inspired and to get hungry. I really get hungry when people say you can't do it. That's when I really get the drive.
Well, when I went to America and I got into acting, everybody wanted me to change my name because people started saying Schwarzenschnitzel and Schwarzenheimer Blemmenchen. Nobody could pronounce it. They were complaining about everything about me, not just about the name. They say you have a strange body, you have a strange accent, you have a strange name. Forget it. You will never make any movies. I kept all of those things. I still have a strange accent, a strange body, and the uniqueness of the name became the strong point now, and now people cannot forget the name. Schwarzenegger.
Hey guys, good to see you. Happy Monday. I'm so excited to be here streaming. Hope everyone's doing good. Anyway, we're gonna jump right into it. We got a busy day today. I had a eye appointment today, so I'm already behind in work. But I gotta jump on, get my goals going. Gotta work an hour a day on my side project, at least. And so here we are. We're going to just jump right in. So today we're going to be working on, on Friday I was working on exercise. So we're building out our fitness application. And so on Friday we were working on building out the exercise types. Sorry, that desktop audio might be a little high. Might be jamming the 80s synth wave a little bit too hard there. Let's turn it down just a little bit. Okay, so on Friday, we're working on the exercise measurement types, right? So how many reps, we're going to countdown timer, that kind of stuff. And it was a little bit confusing. I've been so busy lately that it's been kind of a bummer. I haven't had the time to properly plan this app. So this is super on the fly and loose. So it's not, I'd rather have a lot more planning implemented and designs all finalized and stuff, but it is what it is. It's our side project. We're kind of just diving back into web development, so we're going to just try and build out some stuff. So anyway, the whole point of that Friday, started working on measurement types. It was getting pretty confusing, so I thought instead of just trying to figure out the data structures, all that stuff, let's build out the simple UI and kind of figure out what kind of data we need based off of how we build out the UI. So I think today we're going to dive right into building out some workout builder stuff. I'm trying to figure out if we want to build out like a workout builder where you create a workout and then you would exercise to that workout, or if we're just going to start a workout where you're just going step by step. I think we're probably going to figure that out first, actually. Let's just go step by step, build out the workout, and then get moving on that. So that's where we're at today. Hope you guys are having an awesome Monday, and I'm excited to be here programming with you guys. So let's just dive right into it. So first thing we're going to do is let's just create a nice little link here. Maybe we want just a big old plus button hanging out in the main template all the times. So for desktop, I'm thinking top left, top right corner, and then for mobile, it's just always going to be floating down there in the bottom, kind of right where my face is on the screen, the bottom right side with a big plus button. So our colors are green, and then for focus and stuff like that, we always do a little pink highlight, something a nice pink plus button on the template there will look nice. So let's add that to our main layout template. So we have, let's see what we got here. We'll pull in our Visual Studio Code. And let's see. Okay. So yeah, we were getting deep into the data layout last time. Let me just close all this down. We'll start fresh today in our Visual Studio. No tabs. That was a lot of tabs. Okay. Let's take a look here. So we got to go to our resources, components. Let's go to our layouts folder here. And I believe this is authenticated layout, but I think it's auth sidebar layout. We probably need to go in here and let's see. I can't remember. It's already been a couple days. Let's give this a try. Auth sidebar layout. Let's see. I'm going to turn this down even more here. It's a little bit distracting. Plus, we don't want to get hit with that sweet copyright violation. Alright. Edit profile, log out. I think this is the layout here. So, let's take a look at where our slot is. Because we're gonna position that. So we got our header slot and then content slot. Hello. Or let's just see if we're in the right template. Yep, so that's the one. Alright. So let's take a div here. Let's put in a button. We're going to use a inertia component called a link. And you can specify those to use like a button, maybe? I don't know if we need to do that or not, actually, because we're not actually posting. Let's put this as a empty link right now. And then we're going to use our hero icon. Let's see what Copilot can generate for us here. Let's add some comments and see what we get. Love Copilot here. Okay. Round pink button with a plus hero icon. Sweet. Okay. Do we have... I don't think we have any images in here. Take all this class. This is going to be our link. It's the same thing as a button here. And then we're going to have to position this here eventually, but that's okay. Okay. Let's go and see which hero icons we got. Plus, just a plus. Perfect. Okay, let's go import that plus button. Okay. Plus circle? We'll just go plus, not regular. Okay. So instead of image here, plus icon, move the source. Okay. Looking good. Let's take a look here at our browser. Okay, it's a green button, so we need to make that our pink color, so it kind of sticks out and pops. And then also, I think we should probably say next to it, say start workout or something like that, maybe, perhaps. Let's see, probably. Start workout. Okay, kind of looks okay. Maybe make the font just a little bit bigger. And then also let's make it that. Maybe we should create, no, that's okay. I was going to create a component. We don't need to always create components for everything. This is just kind of a one-off thing here. Okay, background, pink. Nice bright call to action there. That'll look good. That is pretty bright. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, and then start new workout. And let's just make the plus icon just a little bit smaller. I didn't like the way that looked. Okay, let's see. It's kind of off-centered a little bit, so maybe I need to work on my flex positioning, perhaps. Let's see. Let's just make the font just a little bit bigger too. What is it? Text large. Let's see what that does. Yeah, that looks a little bit better, but it's a little bit too big. Medium. I think that's medium. Yeah. It's a little too small, so I just need a size between medium and large. Font size. Maybe just text. Divided by 8. I don't know what that does. Let's can use any of that. Right, scale. Let's just go back to large. Let's see how that looks again. Maybe it'll be fine for now. Alrighty. That's good enough for now. And then let's just add a little bit of margin left. Or let's do X. So it's margin left and right. And let's just bump that up just a little bit so it's got a little spacing. Sweet. Okay, I'm liking that. That's pretty good. Started workout. Really catches your eye too. So let's let's position this. Absolute positioning. All right. We already got that. So let's go. Position is. Why do I have this div right here? What is this div doing? I don't think I need that div. Let's clean this up. Okay. Let's see. Can't remember this ever. There's too many things to remember. Okay. Let's take a look. Alright, so our container there is going to be relative and absolute. Or should we just say sticky? I think we're good with. Yeah, it's okay. So, parent class, we're gonna go relative position, and then we're gonna say absolute here. Say right is 1, top is 1. Let's see. I think we might have to specify pixel locations on that. No, that's pretty good. You know what? I'm kind of not liking that because it's when you're on a profile page and stuff, you don't really like that there. Maybe this needs to just be right here above this stuff right there. And then that way too for mobile stuff. Open up the menu. Nice bright button there to do. Let me see if I can grab this window here. Get our mobile. Yeah. So then, same thing right there. That'll be perfect. We'll put it right there. So I'll grab this code. And, oops. Okay, so it is going to be in 2 spots here. We have a mobile menu and a. So here's our edit profile button. Let's see where that's at in comparison to the edit profile. So we just need to be right up above that. View profile. Okay, so that's all this stuff here. Okay, so let's go right above that. Stick this here. Let me just add that. We want to remove our absolute positioning too. I think we're just in a flex layout here. Okay. Okay. Let me just add a div above this. And let me see something real quick too. I don't want. Let's make this smaller so we can see what it looks like when you scroll it. Alright, cool. Yeah, I didn't really want that to scroll. Okay. We want it to shrink too. We want some shrinkage there. And not to grow, because we want this area above to be the biggest spot. So, let's see. Space Y, flex. CSS right here. Shrink 0. All right. Let's try that. Great, that's not working. All right, let's take a look at the parent div here to see what we're trying to do. Now I've got a loop, flex 1. Overflow Y auto. Maybe I need to say flex 0 on this section here. Flex 0. Nope, that didn't do it. Let's see what's going on. Elements. Alright, see if I can break this out so I can actually see what's going on. Okay. Wonder. Let's try this. Let's try your height is 50 pixels. Just try and contain some of that growth there. Okay, that seemed to work. Okay, and then let's just center this here as well. I've got 2 item center here. Oh, that's it right there. Dang grow. Okay, that was a little problem there. It's my bad, letting Copilot run the show there. Okay, sweet. That looks good. Let's just add some margin to that. Let's try 2. Okay. That looks good. Kind of just wanted off of that bottom section there, just a little bit. Yeah, I like the way that looks. That looks good. It's starting to work out. That header's really dark. That's okay. Not going to worry about it. It's got to focus here. Okay, let's go and do the same thing for the desktop layout there as well. Should be the exact same. Probably need to break these out into components, but that is So let's see. View profile route. Right above the view profile route. That's what we're looking for. Okay, here we go. We'll stick that right there. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. It's getting a little bit crowd over here, but like the main point of the app is to start a workout, so we really want to focus on that. So all right, 1 second, guys. 1 second. Let me just do this really quick. All right, had to just blow my nose really quick. Sorry about that. It's kind of gross. I didn't want to do that while the mic was on. Anyway, hopefully it wasn't on. That would be embarrassing if it was. Okay, so we got our workout button. It's looking good. Let's go create the route, and we're going to call this, we're going to have our pages, create a new folder, workout folder. Sweet. Making progress, guys. This is exciting stuff. I am so excited about building this out. It's been really fun. I'm super excited. Hopefully we can build really cool app. Okay. Workout. What are we going to call this file? Man, naming. Always naming stuff. We're going to call it create and create while, no. We'll just call this one current create new workout. Okay, so in this workout file, let's go ahead and we're using the composition API, so we're going to go our script setup. Okay, we're going to import our was it auth sidebar? I really need to get this project and get to. I've got so many things to do on it. It's crazy. All right, sidebar layout. Got that. And then we're gonna go ahead and got our template there. All right, now let's just go and kind of always just so much. The only thing I don't like about Vue, right, in Laravel and using it, is there's so much little like switching between files and all that kind of stuff. But I guess that's probably everything, right? You're just going between controllers. You got to create the routes. Make sure you do all that stuff. But other than that, I've been really liking Vue and Laravel. It's been really fun. Let's see. All right. So let's go to our routes folder, which is here. Okay. We'll create a new file for our workout routes. Workout. Okay. Here we go. So let me just pull in all our, oops, I need to stick this under our web routes. Move it over here. Great. User profile. So we're using all the same stuff here. Okay. Let's see. Let me just go back here real quick. All right. So we're gonna have our new route. It's just gonna be a get route called this one is just gonna be create new workout. And it's going to I don't know if I really want to pull in. Let's see. Do I have an exercise controller? I kind of like to keep my routes a little cleaner. Oh wait, we need a workout controller. That's what I meant to say. Okay, we got a workout controller. Index is not what we want. We're gonna have our... Okay. You know what? There's no business logic on this page. So maybe we will just go and render an inertia view here. So it's under the workout folder. And workout. Create new workout. Okay. Got that. Create new workout. Authenticated. Perfect. So let's go over here and name that. So we want to go back over to our view here. We're going to add this link here. Alright, our href is going to be, I'm going to get the route in case this changes. We're going to go by our named route. Okay. Okay. What do we have in our that folder here? Just a hello world print. Okay. Let's see. That's a lot of errors. Oh, I forgot to import the dang file. Okay. It's no big deal. Let's go to our web routes. Pull in the require the file. Oh, jeez. Okay, now it should work. Okay, let's give that one more try. What is going on here? Pages, workout. Okay. I might have done that. we've got our workout folder. Do I need to specify pages? I can't remember. Nope. Did I mistype spell something? Create new workout. Create workout. Okay. Man, this is embarrassing. No big deal. Components, auth, sidebar, layout. Alright, I think it was my dang import. Yeah, what up? Good lord. Okay. Auth, sidebar, layout. From. We're not going in components, we're going in layouts. Jeez. Alright. What is going on there? Man, VS Code sometimes drives me crazy. Okay, that should fix it. Fingers crossed. Here we go. There we go. We did it. So, on this page, I was thinking... Start a new workout. Yeah, I was thinking about having two buttons here, like create a workout plan, right? Or this one, though, the button says start a new workout. So we're just going to dive right into building out the workout. So, cool. I think I'm going to have a title at the top of the page. And then we'll have the date, 4/24, 2023. Since this is America, this is how we format dates. To upset you European guys. Go month, day, and then year. Okay? Although, I don't know. Maybe we'll do something else. Hey Yoshi, how's it going, man? Awesome that you're stopping by, dude. How is your Monday going? My Monday's going awesome. Join some lunch break coding. I am almost finished up for the day, though, but it's going good, man. Making some progress. Getting over my cold, too. I had a good weekend. It was a good weekend. How was your weekend, man? Let's see. One sec. Let's see. I'm trying to see. Yeah, we still got about 20 minutes left to work before I have to get back to the old 9 to 5. Alright, so we're going to have our workout title up there. Let's set up a div. Let's take that into a h1 tag. Man, tailwind though, I don't understand why each one doesn't do anything. I've never heard of Docusaurus. before. That's cool. I have to look into that. I need to get good about writing better documentation myself. Make that font big there. And then I think we're gonna have a cool I kind of want to look in Tailwind UI and see what we got for Tailwind components. Cut down on time fiddling around stuff. Content focused. That's cool. So check that out. Let me look at that real quick. Docusaurus. Let's try a demo. See what it's all about. Testing, reporting bugs. Cool. Let's try the old. Nice, those websites look good too. Cool. Looks cool. I'll have to send this to myself. Take a look at it. It's very cool. Thanks, man, for sharing that. It's awesome. Alright, let's take a look at some of our list options. Grid list, what's that? Okay, so all right. Man, I really should have designed this out. Awesome, Yoshi. Let's take a look real quick at your site. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so we got our list here. Just don't want an empty container. See description. Let's see a feed. Kind of like the check mark there when it's done. Get some inspiration here. Alright, so now thinking about this for desktop, it's going to look one way, and for mobile, it's kind of going to be a whole page layout, so we're going to have to kind of have okay. Maybe we'll make it kind of a card layout for both, right? That'd be cool. I really need to get some images up for my... Let me see really quick. So I'm gonna probably use Midjourney a lot for stuff because I... Let's see if I can do this real quick. Alright. Imagine, let's see if we can get some prompts really quick. Bench press. Let's see what we get. So I can add it to my exercise library. Sweet, yeah, that'll work pretty good. Just get, no, that's kind of weird, but that's okay. There's an incline. Let's see. Maybe it would be kind of funny too to have all these weird AI generated images of this stuff. And got the got the bar going through the guy's chest. Doesn't even make sense, but that's cool. So yeah, I'm probably gonna upload some images so we can kind of be more image driven there for that. All right, I think you can post a link right in the chat, Yoshi. I don't mind links in the chat. So I think that's what you did last time, right? I'm gonna have to open up some Twitch here. I might get. Channel. Mute this so we don't. Okay, it's muted already. Download. It's downloading? I think it's downloading. Maybe. There it goes. It's done. Okay, let me see. I'm going to pull this up in my terminal. We're going to do the npm install and run, right? Okay. All right. Do I want to run deploy? Probably. npm run deploy. I gotta update my node. npm start. Okay, let's try it. But it might not work here. I might need to update my node. Yep. Let me see if I can just update that real quick. npm install n. What we got here? Okay, and let's go to the latest, right? We'll just do that. There we go. I can't remember why I had that version of Node going. I think I had it for a specific reason. Alright, we'll give you access this time, dude. So, if it's gonna steal anything. Discordly. Look at that. Nice website, Yoshi. It's looking good. Docs. That's very clean, man. I like it. It's nice for like a project. Are you using this for your Apex stuff? Or is this for your work? Let's take a look at the mobile layout too. Yeah, it's very nice. It kind of looks just like a GitHub type website. A bit, maybe? I don't know. I like it. Man, that looks awesome. Great job. Great work, Yoshi. Way to go, man. I'm not familiar with MDX, my dude. You have to tell me what that is. It's embarrassing, I know. Sweet, man. Looks good. Looks awesome. Alright. In fact, I'm gonna look what it... Acura. No, no, it's not Acura, MDX. MDX, okay. React components. Sweet. Very cool. Okay. So I think that is cool, man. I'm not really that familiar with React. I probably should learn it, but maybe after I finish this site, I'll jump into a React project to kind of learn that. I've done a little bit with work, just because I do in mobile development, like you're going to run into React Native stuff. So, React Native's kind of a bummer when you're used to doing native development, though. So I've always had kind of a bad experience with React in that aspect. So, if I had to pick for like mobile stuff, obviously go native first, just because it just works really well, especially for iOS, right? Swift UI. And then I really like Flutter too. I don't know if you've ever used Flutter or anything like that, but it is awesome. Okay, so we're going to have kind of a card item here. And I want to have a border. And then we're also going to say flex. So we're going to stick everything. Actually, we don't need to. And I'm thinking we're going to have, it's going to be a flex row. And then we just want to say width and height that's 100% on both those two. What do we got? going to say grow. That's what we want. Let's just make the background. Blue so we can see. Alright, I did the wrong Tailwind thing for background. I can't ever remember the Tailwind classes. Background color. That's what we want. So you can kind of see what our layout's going to look like. That didn't do anything. Background color. Let's go blue 500. Try that. Okay. So I'm going to need to see what we got for as far as like our area in here. Let's see. Okay, so I'll just specify this to let's try, say, screen size there. I don't know if this is going to apply that into the slot element there. Of course, that didn't do anything. Let's just take a look. Okay, it did do that. So that's good. Screen height. Let's try full. I don't like how having a scroll area because it kind of maybe I'm worried about that too much right now. I can specify a specific height for stuff in a bit. Alright, so this is going to be the start of the card item here. Oh, this is our card item container. And this is border to it. I think I'm gonna have to. Oh, work's pinging me here. I'm gonna have to jump off here in a minute, but all right. I think what I'm gonna do tonight, I'm gonna sketch out what I want this to look like. Get it refined look and feel of what I'm trying to do here. And then tomorrow, you can jump on with a clear head, know exactly what I'm doing, so I'm not stumbling around wasting time. That's the thing I hate the most, is wasting time. So I think that's probably a good spot to stop for today. We'll jump on tomorrow. Hopefully I'll jump on at lunch again tomorrow and get going on this. So I'm so excited. Anyway, thanks everyone for stopping by and watching. Yoshi, awesome site you built there, dude. Way to go. Keep up the awesome work. And anyway, I hope you guys have a great Monday. Get lots of work done. Have a wonderful day and a great night. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Anyway, talk to you guys later. See you tomorrow.